How to pay later on Temu. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Temu application from your device and get logged into your Temu account. Now, in order to pay later, let's go ahead and select any item that you would like to purchase. And once you select the item, tap on to checkout. At the checkout page under payment methods, you will see various options. Here select after pay. This will allow you to pay 4 times, which is this amount today, this amount in 2 weeks, this amount in 4 weeks, and lastly, your last payment in 6 weeks. Once you do so, tap on this amount for first installment. Just like so, you will lead on to another page to make your first payment. Make sure that you are paying your amount on time, and you will be good to go. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.